we're
back
back.
again with another video, and this time it
We
is
are
Justina
back.
Sketskova Gaia Eurovision 2025
Gaia.
Poland. So let's get going with
Yeah,
this
it's-
video. There are several versions of Gaia.
Yeah.
At this point, you can like search it
It's a
in
new version.
YouTube. It's a new version, and you can check our channel. We did a commentary video on that as well.
Yeah.
So let's get going with the video this time.
Gaia. Ooh.
There is a lot of VFX I
Yeah.
see, which are kind of poorly done. Kind of.
Yeah.
Maybe it is made by someone who don't
I think
know.
they did it's so
They did
fast
by
that-
themselves,
yeah,
maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why. Because it's a Eurovision
Yeah,
entry
yeah.
song, that's why. Oh my god.
They use
She
a
looks
lot of-
stunning.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I think the color grading it looks kind of off at this point. It's there, you know,
Yeah.
that it's kind of off. Oh, this looks good. That red dress look. This honestly,
Stunning.
this piece looks stunning and amazing. She looks like a queen.
Yeah.
Queen, the evil
Queen.
queen, kind of. No. Evil queen do looks good.
I know.
And if you know,
I watched Snow White and they're
evil
pretty
queens do look good, and
you know?
they are like the fashion icons, to be
Yeah.
exact. They are the fashion icons. They will wear big these kind of nails, kind of ring kind of thing. It's kind of do this, and they are a fashion icon. Like, trust me on this.
Oh my
Wow.
god.
Wow.
I like her dress.
I love the shorts, honestly. I think it's kind of, these shorts are very nice shorts.
Yeah, it's a reference
Yeah.
because she is her page is owl. It's
yeah,
reference
yeah,
of
yeah.
something. Oh my god, this is so good. She nailed it, man.
Yeah.
Wow,
Wow. The videos are
loving
good.
it. Ooh. Loving it, man. Ooh.
Ooh, nice.
What a performance,
Yeah.
guys. Love
I
it.
think the color is off. It's like a bit
Dark and
dark and warm tone. I think it would have been better if it has some cool tone and no faded
Okay.
effect.
Got
Like,
it.
this faded effect is giving a little bit of like kind of a weird vibe, you know,
Okay. Got it.
because it's space. They are giving kind of space vibes. So this is not giving space vibes. This is giving negative, like those negative pictures, you know,
Yeah, I know.
that the negative that you develop in a picture.
Retro
Yeah,
camera.
those kind of
Those are-
pictures.
those
Yeah,
cameras
that
are
kind of
retro.
vibe. Yeah,
Yeah.
like Polaroid vibes.
Yeah.
Bad Polaroid vibes.
Oh my god. So many cards.
Yeah, very. I think they used whatever they could find in the
Yeah,
archive
it's
and
so-
mixed it together.
It's
To
so
work
fast
it
they
out.
did this
Yeah.
music video, you know. It's I think 2 to 3 days ago it's released, and I know Eurovision is tough, you know.
I think they found whatever was in the archive and whatever was going with this whole song,
Yeah.
like whole theme, and they put it together from different things. Because if you
But
notice,
I love the stunning dress, man.
because if you notice the whole situation and cards and everything, you will see different dresses. I know there are a lot of things that they use
Yeah.
different dresses, but most of the time when you see these dresses, the background are different. Sometimes it's just sky, sometimes it's just fog.
Yeah.
It's not matching up with everything, kind
I
of.
know.
I think it's that only because it was so that was so fast to put it together. They did that, I guess. But it works. It kind of do works.
Ooh. Loving it.
Yeah, look at this.
Ooh.
And in most of
Ooh,
the videos she is not lip syncing. In most of the
I
videos she
know.
is not lip syncing, so you know it got a bait.
So good.
Yeah, it is, but
She looks stunning. Fabulous.
she
Ooh.
looks really fabulous, that's a
Yeah.
fact, but Woo!
Man, intense.
Yeah,
Love it.
these are the live videos, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Yeah, these are the live videos,
Yeah.
and they change the background. I can
What
recognize
a
it because of
performance.
the dancers. I saw the dancers and paid attention to them in one video. If you watch our videos, you will know. And I can recognize them. Maybe they use the same dances, but the moves are same. The dresses are same. Everything is
Yeah.
kind of same. So I think they use the live videos, just removing the background.
Yeah. Ooh. What a
That's interesting. I'm
performance.
sorry. I'm sorry.
What a performance. What a performance.
No, it wasn't.
I
It
love
was like
this.
a lot of things together,
Yeah.
like clipping things together in a position. Um, in my opinion, they could have done a good part in terms of editing. Um, so I think if they paid attention to editing, it would have been looking very, very good.
Yeah.
But then again, if it was very fast, like in between, they needed to upload it like in between 2 to 3 days, then it's acceptable. But if they had at least kind of what you say 1 week of time, then I think it's not acceptable because um,
It's okay.
making editing is important to anything if you upload it in a public platform, because
Yeah.
otherwise it doesn't look good originally, and if it does, then do not use a lot, like the filters, to be exact in
Yeah.
your words. Do not use filter and place it on something, it would look good. It's not always does that. So yeah, I have just one comment: make editing better, and that's all. Otherwise, we all know Justina is a very great
Yeah.
performer, because I have seen in live, I have seen her in different platforms. No, not exactly platforms, or different occasions and different type of singing.
Yeah.
So I know she has great potential in terms of singing, in terms of performance, everything. So yeah, it's completely the
Package.
editing that disappointed me a
Yeah.
lot. And that's all. Thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe.
Subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in the channel. Until then, bye.